The overall goal of this procedure is to acquire and analyze multiple physiological parameters in neurosurgical critical patients.
This method can help answer key questions in clinical data monitoring and analysis field, such as mean ICP value, ABP, and the ICP-derived parameters. And the main advantage of this technique is that it can be easily achieve long-term, high-frequency multiple data acquisition and analysis.
We first had the idea for this method when we were trying to collect and analyze critical neurosurgical patients' long-term continuous physiological data and realized that there are few specific devices that are suitable for clinicians in their daily clinical work.
Begin by connecting the ICP monitoring machine with the bedside monitor via a specific communication cable. Adjust the reference in the patient's bedside monitor so that the data from the bedside monitor are in accordance with the ICP monitoring machine. Perform an arterial line placement on the patient's left or right radial artery. Next, connect the arterial line with the baroreceptor. Then connect the pressure transducer with the patient's bedside monitor via a communication cable. Finally, zero adjust the bedside monitor so that the measured blood pressure coincides with the actual value. Begin by connecting the patient's bedside monitor with the data collecting and storing device via a network cable.